韭菜蔥油雞 imperial style poached chicken with garlic chive, scallion and ginger condiment. Hi friends, join me today as I try to replicate restaurant-style concubine chicken, or in Chinese, 貴妃雞. In simple, it is called imperial style of poached chicken. I do slight alteration to the chicken condiment by adding garlic chives in addition to scallion and ginger. This is a restaurant-style recipe of poached chicken. There are many important steps in making this succulent poached chicken. I'm super excited, friends. Let's get started. Firstly, in a hot wok with hot oil, add in shrimp crackers. Fried shrimp crackers as garnishing for the chicken for use later. Then let's rinse and wash whole chicken. This is a 150 days chicken, weight around 1.2 kilograms. Make sure to remove all the intestine, especially the lung of chicken, which is on the upper side of the bone. After rinsing and wiping clean the chicken, add in 4 to 5 teaspoons of coarse sea salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add in slices of ginger, scallion and 1 teaspoon of CNY. Rub all the seasoning onto the chicken and inside the chicken. 1 more teaspoon of turmeric powder, as the color of yellow is really appetizing. Then marinate chicken for 30 to 45 minutes. By marinating chicken for 35 to 40 minutes, we remove unpleasant smell of chicken and perfume chicken with appetizing aroma. The ingredients for today's cooking, of course, 1 whole chicken, shallots. We use a lot of shallots in today's cooking. Cardamom, white pepper seeds, star anise, licorice, cinnamon, bay leaf. We use lots of ginger in today's cooking. Dried scallop, soak into water for 1 hour. Keep the water of soaking dried scallop for the poaching brine. Scallion, rose wine. Smack and crush shallots. Smack and crush ginger. When water comes to rolling boil, add in all the spices, shallot, ginger, scallion and the scallop that we soaked earlier. Add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. Don't forget to crush cardamom before adding into the brine liquid. Let simmer brine liquid for 30 minutes with medium heat so that all the flavor being released into a flavorful poached brine. After 45 minutes, rinse and wash the marinated chicken. At step 2, I add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder into the brine liquid for coloring, as the yellow color of the chicken looks more appetizing. Dip chicken a few times into the brine liquid before letting chicken into the boiling pot. Bring the brine liquid to rolling boil again with medium heat. When water comes to boiling again, then immediately turn off the heat. But don't forget to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of CNY into the brine liquid to give aroma. The brine liquid comes to rolling boil, turn off the heat. Let the chicken rest in the brine liquid for 30 minutes. Can you cook the chicken if you turn off the heat? Yes, for a chicken around 1.2 kg, for 30 minutes the chicken is almost cooked. I do this when my pot is not deep enough. I pour the liquid or the brine onto the body of the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes, while the chicken breast must be facing down at the bottom of the pot, as cooking chicken breast takes much higher heat. Now, let's move to the step 3. Let's prepare condiment for the chicken by preparing a medium-sized bowl. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, and 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, and mix well all the seasoning. Add in drizzle of white pepper powder. I add in minced ginger, scallion white, and garlic chive. The portion of garlic chive is much more as compared to ginger and scallion. I add in also 1 teaspoon of rose liquor. In a hot wok, bring temperature of the cooking oil into high heat. When the oil is hot enough, pour hot oil over the condiment that we have prepared earlier to create sizzling sound. When the oil is hot enough, the aroma will be released while the oil is still hot. Add in scallion green and mix well. Let's prepare a pot or a wok with ice water. After 30 minutes, let's transfer poached chicken into a wok full of ice water. This process is to let the chicken stop cooking and reduce the temperature of chicken. By soaking poached chicken into ice water, the skin of chicken will become a bit of crunchy in texture. Soak the chicken in ice water until the whole chicken becomes cold. Then I remove all the spices, ginger, scallion from the poaching brine liquid. I keep all the dried scallop as I can use this brine water for making soup. Now let's move to step 4. Add in chicken fat and slices of ginger into a hot pan. Pan fry chicken fat with medium-high heat until it releases all the chicken oil. Then add in shallot and ginger. By doing this, we infuse the oil with the pleasant aroma of shallot and ginger. By now, I have enough chicken oil, so I remove all the chicken fat and add in more ginger slices, shallot, and stir fry until golden brown with medium-high heat. When all the ginger and the shallots are golden brown, I add in 1 big bowl of the brine liquid. Simmer the sauce with low heat for 20 minutes. After 20 20 minutes, remove all the ginger shallots and getting ready the sauce for use later. When chicken has become completely cold, remove chicken from ice water and pat dry chicken. Let's cut up chicken into pieces with knife or scissors. But I prefer to use knife for cutting chicken into pieces. Arrange nicely chicken pieces onto the plate. I can tell the chicken is cooked with a little bit of pink color, but not overcooked. Now, since the chicken is ice cold, let's warm up the chicken with the sauce that we just cooked. I use a big spatula and transfer some of the hot boiling chicken sauce onto the pieces of chicken, especially the chicken pieces that are in pink color. Then I pour back the chicken sauce into the pan and I repeat the process again. Keep on repeating the process until the chicken becomes warm. By doing this, it ensures the chicken is not overcooked. When the chicken is warm enough, I add on the garlic chive, scallion and ginger condiment on top of the poached chicken. Poached chicken imperial style is ready now. This poached chicken imperial style is perfectly cooked, full of multiple layers of aroma of garlic chive, scallion and ginger. Here is my recipe for today's cooking. Let's give it a try, friends. Although it has numerous steps and it takes some of your time, but the end result is really worth it and really impressive to serve in front of your guests. This imperial style poached chicken is also suitable for Chinese New Year cooking. Then I strain out all the ingredients from the brine liquid and bring the liquid to boiling again. While the liquid is boiling, I crush the dried scallop and put back into the brine liquid. Have a taste of the brine liquid. If it is too salty, add in more water. Add in the crushed dried scallop into the brine liquid and add in pieces of chopped mushrooms. Then I put a layer of plastic on the cutting board and I crush and smack water chestnut and add into the brine liquid too. I add in corn kernels into the brine water too. I cut fish mouths into small square shapes and put into the brine liquid too to make soup. When the liquid comes to boiling, add in fish mouths. Let's prepare celery sauce. With half bowl of water, I add in 4 teaspoons of water chestnut flour. If you do not have water chestnut flour, you can add cornstarch or tapioca starch. Let's beat up an egg and add into the brine liquid. After adding in beaten egg, stir well the soup, followed by the starch water, and stir well again. I add in chopped scallion and coriander. Corn water chestnut and fish mouth soup is ready now. A few drops of sesame oil and enjoy this delicious water chestnut, corn and fish mouth soup. Thank you for watching, friends. See you again in our next video. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. Your likes and your subscriptions are our strong motivation to keep on posting new videos. Please share these videos with friends. Don't forget to view our other cooking video for more cooking ideas and inspiration. Bye bye.